आज हम करेंगे लाते मेकअप। सबसे पहले हम बालों को टाई कर लेंगे। हमने अपना स्किन केयर कर लिया है प्रॉपर, तो सारे टूल्स हमने ले लिए हैं अपने। स्टार्ट विद दिस प्राइमर, देन आई हैव दिस फाउंडेशन, सुपर सीरम फाउंडेशन फ्रॉम माय ग्लैम। Then I will use this inside का HD concealer. Then I set all this with inside का loose powder. This contour palette. This Chotuza blush by Jeremy. Verimi. I start my eyeshadow with brown. I use this Swiss Beauty palette, this shade. For outer corner, use this nude color. Much with this blending brush. Then I use this shimmer dark brown color. And I will match this. This same color in my waterline. This color for my brow bone. Outer corner. For my eyebrows, I have this Swiss Beauty eyebrow and gel liner. This is for eyebrow and this is gel eyeliner. It has a mirror also, to use my mirror. Now is the time for mascara. Now it's time for mascara. And this is my go-to mascara. Now it's a time for lipstick. I have a two nude brown lipsticks. First is this color from My Glam. Second is also from My Glam. Let's try this one. I like it. This is very skin type. Let's mix this. Inside toasting for contour and highlighter. Use highlighter from this. This is Latte Makeup